and this is the broken part. Today I'll pick this, and this is the Fujitsu laptop, and you can see and broken this side very badly. Okay, today I'll repair this very simple and easy way, and I will try to fix this, and it would be or not. Let's try this, how we can fix it. Okay, let's open the laptop. After opening the all screw, and I will show this. Okay, let's open the screw. And this is the circuit condition. Circuit condition is very fine, and here is no dust, and it's very clean. Screw. And this part is broken. Okay, and this is the broken condition, and you can see, and here is no option to give some glue for attaching this, and I have make a plan what I will do. You can see this. Okay, I will use one aluminum plate for this hair to hair, and that can hold this part. And it's strongly attached. Okay, you can see we give some support the aluminum part, and this side also, and this side I give another support. Okay, after that I will attach any screw, and it would be looks good. And our laptop hinge repair is done, and you can see this, and I will attach one sticker on this aluminum. Okay, you can see, and it's work very easily and perfectly. Okay viewers, thanks for watching, and let's see the display how it's working or not. Yes, display is working. Okay, thanks for watching. Shut down this.